Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today we're going to talk about ironing. We're going to go over how to use a sleeve roll. This is one video in a series of ironing videos. I'm also going to go over how to use a ham, a clapper, and a tailor's board. So links for those will be down below in the description. So what are these long, awkward, stuffy things, and how do you use them when you're ironing? These sleeve rolls are great for getting into hard to iron spots when you don't want extra creases there. A cuff, a sleeve, a pant leg, any hard to reach areas where you need to do some ironing. If you've ever tried ironing a sleeve and you just go and press it, you're going to get horrible creases on both sides. Ugh, can't stand that. So let's go over to the ironing board and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking to improve your sewing skills, make sure you check out my online sewing classes and the sewing club. Link down below in the description. And if you're enjoying my videos, make sure you like and subscribe to Sewing Anastasia. It really helps out the channel a lot. All right, back to ironing. So let's say we wanted to iron this cuff. We can stick the roll right inside of the sleeve and then we can easily iron this cuff without getting any creases in it. And then what we can do is just keep working our way around the cuff so that way we don't get any hard creases in it. And that is how you would use the sleeve roll to iron your cuff. Now that we've ironed the cuff, let's move on to ironing the sleeve. Now, a lot of times when you just lay it flat on the board and you iron, you're going to get that crease at the top. Let me show you what's probably happening to you and let me show you how to fix it. I know before I had the sleeve roll, I had this problem all the time. So you're ironing and you think everything's great. It looks so nice and flat, but when you lift it up, you have this crease right on the top or the bottom of your sleeve. And that does not look great. So we are gonna solve that with the sleeve roll. So I'm going to insert the sleeve roll with the wool side face up. And now right where that crease is, we're gonna steam it out. Look at that. Now we have no crease on the top of our sleeve. We've completely gotten rid of it. And then the nice thing about this roll is that you can just work your way up the sleeve depending on how long your sleeve is or wherever you have wrinkles. And the nice part about it being rounded is that you're not going to get any hard line creases on it. So sometimes if you use a sleeve board, you'll get hard creases on the sides. But not with the sleeve roll. It steams out all of the creases and gives you a beautiful sleeve. So as you can see, the sleeve roll really helps us out when we're ironing to give us really nice professional looking garments. This is just so great for areas that are hard to get to with keeping the iron flat without creasing the other fabric around it. You just slip this in, it raises the fabric for you, and it doesn't give any hard edges because it's curved. This is why I like this better than the sleeve board sometimes, because it doesn't leave any hard creases on the edges. You might have noticed that I said I was making sure the wool side on the roll was face up. Let me tell you why. The reason I was using the wool side face up is because when you steam on the wool side, it really holds onto the steam and it helps release that wrinkle longer and stronger. And since I was using a heavier fabric with a really strong crease, I really wanted to make sure that crease was gonna come out. So I wanted to go with the side that was really gonna hold in that steam and the heat to get rid of that wrinkle. And this lighter, thinner cotton twill side is great for thinner fabrics or when you need to steam, but you don't need that heat to hold on to the fabric to release the wrinkle. So if you got a quick steam you need to do, this is your side. If you really have a strong crease and you need to get rid of it, use the wool side. Even though it's called a sleeve roll, it is not just for a sleeve. You can use these on bodices, on a dress, you can use them on skirts, you can use these on anywhere you need to iron a hard to reach place with just the iron. That way, you don't get creases where you're ironing. So if you don't have a sleeve roll yet, I highly suggest getting one because they make ironing so much easier. All of those hard to reach places, not anymore with the sleeve roll. Thanks so much for watching my video today on the sleeve roll. If you guys have any questions about it, leave it down below and let me know where do you like to use your sleeve roll when you're ironing. If you don't have one, are you gonna get one? If you enjoyed the video today, make sure you like and subscribe to Sewing Anastasia. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you're already a subscriber, well, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you. And don't forget to follow me on all the social and definitely my Instagram stories, because I'm always posting what's going on in the studio and what's new. And if you're in Chicago, come on into the design studio and take some classes with me. And if you're not, well, make sure you check out the online classes and the sewing club. There's a link down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.